Hey guys, today I again recorded some interesting trades for you from my trading session, and in this video I will explain them. So let's start our series of trades with the simplest pattern, the bull flag. It is good that the platform already has the tools we need, so we just draw the rays of resistance and support for easy tracking of the situation. In this case, the pattern is not in its final stage yet, and we can see that the chart will make at least one drop to the support level before completing the pattern and going up. And I would just like to underline the fact that it's a bull flag because our chart is rising with the potential for an upward movement after such a pattern with the constant changes of direction. And at the same time, the amplitude decreases, which gives us an understanding of when and where the chart will go. On the 5-minute time frame, we see the following situation: upward movement, then consolidation, then upward movement again to the resistance level. After that, the chart went strongly down to the support level and again accumulates in one place with no spurts in any direction. But viewers of my channel may have already noticed one of the familiar patterns here. It is a head and shoulders pattern, in which one of shoulders completes its formation. According to the results of this pattern, we can say that the chart will continue its downward movement, so it is safe to put a 5-minute trade. I will put the chart in a 3-minute time frame so that it will be easier to track the movements. Let me remind you about the essence of the pattern. We have one main top and two smaller tops on each side. These tops have a support area, as you can see here, and at the end of this pattern, the chart will continue falling. The situation on our next chart is very interesting. A rising chart with the potential to break the resistance line with a triangle pattern. But we didn't have time to open a trade because the chart has already reached the resistance area and it's likely to roll back down. So it is better to wait for it to fall. Here it already reaches the trend line and support level, so we open a trades for 5 minutes in a long position. The price was falling too low to the support level number 2, and I wanted to open more trades at the bottom, but the payout percentage fell to the 32, which is very low, so we just wait for the close. I was literally a few seconds short to win, but it's not a big deal. The main thing is that you have seen the pattern, its essence, its movement, and how the chart may behave. So let's see something else. One of my favorite patterns lately is the double impulse. We see it immediately with the naked eye and we understand that the chart will fall to the consolidation level. Since this is a 5-minute time frame, we understand that the chart will go even lower soon, but we don't know if it will test the resistance level again. So we will take a longer expiration time, which is 15 minutes. So that will help us to survive if the chart decides to test the resistance area again. As I said, the chart made a jump up to the resistance level, but after that it quietly continued to fall. So let me remind you guys what the pattern is all about. The chart makes a sharp impulse upwards, followed by a consolidation and new sharp impulse to the resistance level, which can be seen on the larger time frame. The long upper shadows of candles tells us that the sellers starts to be more active than the buyers. Accordingly, it starts an active downward movement of the chart to the level of consolidation. So this is what we've got here. By the way, this is how the chart looked like a few minutes after the deal closing, which gives you more information about the market behavior in the double impulse pattern. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing and see you guys very soon. Later.